Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on HTML CSS tutorial for beginners to advanced level. And right now, we'll be discussing about the CSS Universal Selector. The CSS Universal Selector is this asterisk you are seeing right here. This star right here is the CSS Universal Selector. It selects all HTML elements on the page. For example, the CSS rule below will affect every HTML element on the page. As you can see, this is actually how we specify this text alignment and color. So let me show you how it works in our document. As you can see, we are having this in our previous tutorial. And right now, let's remove all our style right here. Now let's give it star. This star we are seeing right here is the CSS Universal Selector. Now let's save our document and see what we got. As you can see, we don't have anything yet, right? Quickly, let's give it a space and give our what and give our declaration. Inside this our declaration, let's give it a color. Let's give it a color. We give it this color. Let's give it color red. Let's give it color red and save our document. You are going to see what will happen. Can you see everything is having color red at once? Can you just imagine? And let's give it text align again. Text align, text align center. Let's give it text align center and let's reload our document again. Can you see everything is having text align center? Let's give it border again. Let's give it border again. Border. Let's give it border again. Let's give it border. So border 1 pixel solid. Can you see this thing is very funny when we have everything at once? Can you see everything, even with our our p tag, everything that is stylable in our document is going to have the border. Just imagine everything that is stylable, like this HTML tag, this body tag also is now having the style. Let's say for instance now, reload your document. Can you see we are having this one is having border, another one is having border, another. It will select the parent till the parent that is able to style every element that is here that we can style is going to have the border. As you can see, just imagine, because we use this asterisk. This is CSS Universal Selectors. So please try to practice this, because practice makes perfect. Anwar Akorede is my name. I wish to see you guys next time. Have a great day. Thank you so much, and